When you create a new drawing in Specifi, it's recommended and mandatory to save your drawing into a Specifi project. Before doing that, we can use main settings just to check the project path where Specifi saves your default project. Usually, this path has been set to your documents folder. If I want to save my project from project section of Specifi ribbon, I can click Save button. And Specifi loads all the projects I already created. So I can select an existing project or I can choose to create a new one. I click Create button now to create a new project. And the software asks to identify, first of all, the customer. The customer can be retrieved directly from the list of all the customers already inserted. Otherwise, I can use plus button on the right just to add a new company. You can also expand here just to insert all information about your customer. For example, here I can insert the name. I can specify the code. The code can be retrieved from ERP system, or you can insert just a code. Okay, and instead here you can insert all the other information. The details are not mandatory, but fields, but it's recommended to insert. Maybe also the zip code and also the address, like this. At the end, you can press Create. The software adds the customer and generates automatically the project code. This is the project code. Project code is generated based on the formula you have configured in Specifi quote module. If you want, of course, you can insert also the title of your project. And here. Okay, I can set here the currency. I can select one of the currency I want to work inside this project, the language, and I can also here insert the manager and the operator. Okay, and if you want also description. At the end, you can press Save button in order to save the project and add also to the previous project list. Clicking Save button, the project is added to our project list. And so now we can select this and press Save button now in order to save the drawing inside the new project. As you can see, the name of the file changes and it assigned the same name we gave for the title. Now we can continue inserting the plan and also the equipment inside our drawing. If you need to save again, you just have to press Save button here or just from there, and AutoCAD will save, will overwrite the drawing into the Specifi folder.